Hi there, I am Paul Yateman, a scientist by day and among other things an artist by night. Here I draw stuff, spaceships, still life, original characters, life drawing, creatures and mystical beasties. In these videos I tend to show the post-thumbnailing drawing process resulting in a completed work. That typically involves a grey or blue pencil sketch, inking with fine liner, perhaps a scan of the intermediate work, and finally colouring using markers, pencil and sometimes Photoshop. Mostly I offer these up as time-lapse. Mostly. Now and then I'll live stream. Sometimes I'll show the video at normal speed for its entirety, so that's 60 minutes of fun, not much talking. If this sounds like something that would float your boat or provide you with inspiration, sketch ideas or instruction, activate the subscribe button and hit like right now. Also, comment with feedback or requests. Okay, let's see where I'm up to in the time-lapse. Okay, so I am doing the line art now. Just putting in some tentacles, making it look octopusy by putting in really quick and nasty suckers. With my go-to fine liner, which I think is a 0.8. Giving the sort of beanie thing a little bit of texture. Trying to make it look a little bit organic, maybe. And now I'm just highlighting some areas of the bleed through to give the image some sort of interest. The dark line here is to accentuate shadows and bring any foreground objects out from the background. Brush pen here. Then what I'm trying to do is match the browns in the bleed through with the pencil I'll be using once I do the little suckers on the tentacles. I'm also adding a bit of different blues to sort of blend the bleed through in with what we now have on the page. I guess that's a double-edged sword, at least with this sort of technique. If you're using alcohol markers and standard sketch pad, bleed through can create issues because quite often you can't use the back of the page. What I've done here is to try to utilise my sketchbook by riffing on or altering the bleed through. So this was a drawing of a old sort of, I think it was a drawing, it might have been a sculpture of a female head, and I've then given it a beanie and added tentacles. And I think the choice of brown here works out really nicely because by the time we get to the end of the picture, it's hard to tell that what is actually bleed through because the browns merge quite nicely with this little tan I'm using, darker brown. You can see here that the dark brown at the background is darker than foreground, which is another way to draw foreground objects out from the background. So, what do you think? How would you have drawn this? Let me know your thoughts or ideas in the comments. If you have found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw on your own sketchbook, or any fun stuff like that, subscribe to my channel, like this video and consider sharing it. Ideally, share it. If you were inspired to draw, share with me your creation in the comments or by tagging me on social media. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care and happy drawing.